Our project centers around our individual and collective response to the global pandemic. We've been using this time together to be productive without surrendering to the confusion and hopelessness presented to us. Here we are looking to focus and find strength in what we can control and to reject the fear of what we cannot. Every 2 to 3 days we have met, discussed and compared work and ideas with each other. We have collaborated at every step of this process, all the while sharing in the changes in each other's day-to-day lives. More than ever, we are lost in our phones and computer screens, either as an escape or an echo chamber of our perceived reality. We chose to emulate the Facebook experience as it has become our primary way of interacting with the world. We each first looked inward to our own experiences and feelings, creating works related to our individual perceptions of the crisis. We then compiled sections of these separate works as social media vignettes, painting the larger narrative contrast of individual, group, and global response. We ended this project with a collaborative piece, made from a pass-the-parcel process of layering beats, chords, counter melodies, and vocals one by one. Its compositional cohesion is a testament to the connection and friendship that we've developed in the face of these circumstances that have done their best to keep us separated.
The epicenter of the crisis in the United States has recorded its highest number of deaths in a single day.
We begin with another grim chapter in Spain's coronavirus crisis. Over 10,000 people have now died from...
Italy is now officially the country at the epicentre of the outbreak. There have been more deaths there than anywhere else in the world.
Crazy to have motivation again.
Oh, it's not the best.
The same framework for like some
It's been really positive, like, yay, everything's fine.